Hey there, fitness fans! Ready to work up a sweat? You don't need a gym for an amazing workout. All you need is you. We're about to embark on a no-equipment, calorie-crushing journey right here in your home. Get ready to feel the burn and unleash your inner athlete. Let's do this. This workout is going to be simple, effective, and fun. No complicated moves, no expensive equipment, just you and your determination. We're going to target all the major muscle groups with 7 awesome exercises. Are you ready to transform your body and boost your energy levels? Let's get started. First up, we're going to get that heart rate pumping with jumping jacks. This classic exercise is a fantastic way to start any workout because it engages multiple muscle groups and gets your blood flowing. Remember those from gym class? They might seem simple, but they are incredibly effective for cardiovascular health. They're back and ready to make you sweat. Keep your movements controlled and your core tight to maximize the benefits. 30 seconds of jumping jacks, then 10 seconds of rest. This interval training will help you burn more calories in less time. Feel that energy surge through you. The endorphins released during this exercise will boost your mood and keep you motivated. Next, it's time to sculpt those legs and glutes with bodyweight squats. This exercise is perfect for building lower body strength and toning your muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower yourself down as if you're sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. 30 seconds of squats, then 10 seconds of rest. This will help you build endurance and strength over time. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes. This is a sign that your muscles are working hard and getting stronger. You're building strength with every rep. Consistency is key, so keep pushing yourself. Now let's work those arms and chest with some classic push-ups. This exercise is excellent for upper body strength and core stability. Get down on the floor, hands shoulder-width apart, and lower yourself down until your chest touches the floor. Keep your body in a straight line. 30 seconds of push-ups, then 10 seconds of rest. This will challenge your muscles and improve your endurance. Remember to keep your core engaged. This will help you maintain proper form and prevent injury. You're building upper body strength like a pro. Keep up the great work and feel proud of your progress. You're doing amazing. Keep that energy up. Remember, every drop of sweat is a step closer to your goal. Your dedication is truly inspiring. Now, as we move into mountain climbers, focus on maintaining a steady rhythm. Get into a high plank position, ensuring your body forms a straight line from head to heels, and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled. 30 seconds of mountain climbers, pushing through with all your might, then 10 seconds of rest. Use this time to catch your breath and prepare for the next round. Feel your core working hard. Each movement is sculpting those muscles. This exercise targets those abs like no other. You're building strength and endurance. Next up, we're targeting those glutes with glute bridges. This will help in building a strong and toned lower body. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Position yourself comfortably. Lift your hips off the ground, engaging your core and glutes, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a moment to maximize the contraction. 30 seconds of glute bridges, focusing on each lift, then 10 seconds of rest. Let your muscles recover briefly. Feel that burn in your backside. It's a sign that you're working those muscles effectively. You're sculpting a toned and lifted booty. Keep smiling through the burn. Time to engage that core with a plank hold. This will challenge your stability and strength. Get into a high plank position, forearms on the floor, ensuring your body is aligned, and hold your body in a straight line. Engage your core and glutes to maintain form. 30 seconds of plank hold, staying strong and steady, then 10 seconds of rest. Remember to breathe deeply and steadily. This exercise strengthens your entire core, enhancing your overall fitness, improving your posture and stability. You're doing fantastic. Keep pushing forward. Amazing work. Now it's time to cool down and stretch those muscles. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps your body transition from high-intensity activity to a state of rest, reducing muscle stiffness and soreness. We'll start with some gentle hamstring stretches. These stretches are great for improving flexibility and preventing injuries. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and reach for your toes. Feel the stretch along the back of your legs. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds and breathe deeply. Deep breathing helps to relax your muscles and increase the effectiveness of the stretch. Next, let's stretch those quads. This will help to release any tension built up during your workout. Stand up and gently pull your heel towards your glutes. Keep your knees close together for a better stretch. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Make sure to maintain your balance by holding onto a wall or chair if needed. Feel the tension release from your muscles as you stretch. This is your time to unwind and let go of any stress. Now, reach your arms overhead and gently bend to each side to stretch your sides. This will help to elongate your torso and improve your posture. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Remember to breathe deeply and evenly. Feel the elongation in your spine and the release in your back. This stretch is great for relieving any tension in your upper body. Finally, lie down on your back and bring your knees towards your chest for a gentle lower back stretch. This position helps to relax your lower back muscles. Hold for 30 seconds and enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Take this moment to appreciate the hard work you've put in and the benefits of a good stretch. You did it! You crushed that workout like a champion. Remember, consistency is key. Make this workout a regular part of your routine and watch your body transform. Now give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome workouts, and leave a comment below telling me what you want to see next. Keep pushing, keep striving, and I'll see you in the next workout.